Hello there and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I organize my nail supplies and my nail collection, and all of those are so affordable. But before we start that, let me just show you my manicure. So for my left hand, I am still wearing the mani that I did 10 days ago. I did a video for this. I dip on my natural nails. I'll be putting the video in the cards up here and in the description box. But so far, this is the update. I don't have any liftings just yet, but I do plan to film a video on how to remove this using the soak off method. So yeah, if you want to watch the video, I'll be putting the link in the description box. And for my right hand, this is a new mani that I just did a while ago, and these colors are from Reason Legacy, and the decal is from Poshanil Design. So I'll be putting the product also in the description box. Alright, so moving on to the main topic of this video, which is affordable nail organization. So first, I got this storage tray from Target. So this one is so affordable. It is only $1, and this is how it looks like when you put jars of the powders. So again, I got this one from Target. It is located in their dollar or affordable section, so you can see this one when you first enter the shop or the store. And again, just a disclaimer that different Target store varies. And honestly, I drove to different Target stores to find these storage containers. So yeah, just a disclaimer. And if you find them, make sure to grab them because they are, I think, so fast to get sold. And yeah, as you can see, you can stack these trays and it can hold 24 0.25 ounce of the powders. And this is how it looks like in my drawers, and this is how I personally want my dip powders to be stored. And by the way, this is the IKEA Alex drawer. So I did not put the screw somewhere here so that I can pull the drawer all the way out if I like. And also, I really love how I can double stack the trays, and I can still close it. So yeah, as much as possible, I really wanted to maximize each drawers. And I also don't like anything that is so expensive, especially for organizers. As much as possible, I want them to be affordable. So yeah, this is how it looks like after I double stack the tray. So even though you fill them up with jars, you still have spaces for you to grab those jars, and this is how it looks like. So I think it is really a nice tray. So even though I double stack already, I can still close it without it touching the top part of the drawer. So yeah, moving on to the next tray. This is again also from Target, and this one comes in 2-pack. So you'll be getting 2 trays, and this has the same texture or smoothness like the other one that I showed you, or the first one that I showed you. So yeah, I think it is nice to use them for tools, brushes, nail files, and you can actually use this not only for nail items, you can also use this to organize your pens and stuff. So yeah, I think it is really affordable for $1 for 2 trays already. Aside from my tools, I also use this again for my dip powders. And I love that it actually filled the side of my Alex drawer. It actually fits perfectly in there. And then again, you can double stack these 2 trays and you can store more products. So yeah, let's move on to another size of this tray. I got these 2 smaller ones. So this is the half size of the first tray that I showed a while ago. And again, you can use this to store more dips, and you can again double stack it. And as you can see, I use it in the inner part of the Alex drawer. So all in all, you can actually store 150 to 170 dip powders in just one drawer. But again, it depends upon your preference. I don't personally overload my drawer this much. But yeah, if I keep on buying more dip powders, I will be doing this to like squeeze my storage, because as much as possible I really don't like to expand my storage more. But actually, even though you like put a lot of dip powders in here, it is still sturdy, it is not too heavy, and you can still close it properly. So yeah, let's move on to another storage unit. So again, this one is $1, and this one is just one piece, but this really is perfect for your dip liquids, your gel polish, your nail polishes. So I also use it to store my polygel, my acrygel, and my gel art liners. If you are going to store dip liquids or the regular size gel bottles, it can hold 12 bottles of gel polishes or dip liquids. And again, you can store also here your polygel. This is how I store my polygel or acrygel. I store them upwards, and I have the colors on top of it so that I can easily locate the colors. So these are more polygel, and personally I don't like to keep like boxes or packaging of items. I want them to be like organized, and I really want to maximize each space. So like for example, this gel art liner, they come in this very long like box packaging. Excuse me. But yeah, these are from Amazon. So yeah, I do have a swatch video for this. I'll be putting it in the cards and in the description box. And yeah, if you want to purchase this kit, I think this is like $25 or $26. I'm not really sure, but I'll be putting the link in my Amazon storefront. So I forgot to mention about this size. Again, this is from Target, and I use this smaller one to store my cuticle oil. So this is a comparison with the first. So this one is a half size of the other liquid storage. So even though it is smaller, but you can still like store a lot of cuticle oils here. You can also store here like your gel art liners, your tools and stuff. So yeah, it really depends on your preference, but I like to store it this way. So this storage unit is also helpful for me to locate items. So I use these organizers to group each items. Like for example, these are all liquids. The previous one that I showed you are cuticle oils. So they also have these smaller ones as well. I use them to like store my jewelries, my rings. You can also store here some cotton pads, some buffing block, the smaller ones. So yeah, that is the smallest size of the tray from Target. So before I move on to the storage bins that I got from the Dollar Tree, let me just quickly show you this nail polish rock that I got from Amazon. So this is a large 4-tiered organizer that you can store all your liquids, your gel polishes, your nail polishes. And I got this one from Amazon. I'll be putting the link in the description box. Make sure to check my Amazon storefront. This one is $13, and it can carry a lot of products. So yeah, let's move on to the acrylic organizers that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I got a bunch of acrylic organizers here, and I will be showing you one by one. So first, let's start with this 3-compartment acrylic storage. So this one has lid, and it's up to you if you will use it or not. But for me, this is how I use it. So I store all my nail art accessories in here. Like for this one, these are the Young Nails confetti something. So it comes with a lid so that it is protected. Or you can also use it without a lid, so it will only serve as like a divider. Like for example, this one, I use it to store my Kiara Sky drill bit set. So I really don't like to remove the individual packaging of each drill bit so that I still know the names. So I decided to store it this way. So yeah, it perfectly fits the side of the IKEA Alex drawer. And another thing, I store here my single pots or single jars of like flakes, chunks of glitters, and more stuff. And you can also use it to like store gel polishes. So yeah, this acrylic organizer is only not affordable, it is also versatile. You can store a lot of things in here. So moving on to another Dollar Tree acrylic organizer. So this one is larger than the first organizer that I showed you, and this one is perfect also again for dip liquids. I use this to store my liquids, and also I use it to store some of my acrylic powders. So these are from Young Nails. These are like the sample sizes of jars. So yeah, I use that, and again some gel polishes. So another Dollar Tree acrylic holder or organizer is this one. It is a bit larger, and this one holds a lot of liquids again. So it also holds a lot of gel polishes and some stamping goodies. I also fit in here some of my brushes. And I also use it to organize my swatch sticks, some of my jelly tips that are in these Ziploc baggies. So I arrange it this way. And I also got this one from the Dollar Tree. I use it to store my stamping polishes from Maniology. I really love how perfect size it is for my stamping polishes. Alright, so for the last Dollar Tree organizer, this one is actually so cute. At first, I really don't know what to put in here, but then I realized I can put my e-files or nail drills. So basically, I use it as a stand or a holder, and I just clip the drill, and I just use the handpiece holder that came with the e-file. So every time I use my e-file, I just turn on the knob, and it also serves like a protector for my e-file. And I also love how compact and slim it is, so I can easily store it to this part of my table. And I also want to quickly mention this white, like a wood like divider. I don't know how you call that, but I also got this one from Dollar Tree, and I'm not sure how much it is before, but I think it's like less than $10. So I also found this from their affordable section near the entrance, and yeah, I think it is so nice. And also this pegboard is from Target. So if I'm not mistaken, this pegboard was like $5 or $6. I really can't remember the exact price for that, but it is really affordable, and it comes with hooks already. So it's perfect if you want to like display your swatch sticks. And for these bins, it is sold separately, and they were in sets, so it comes with like 2 or 3 bins per set, and it is also like $5 or $6. But again, this pegboard is a little bit hard to find. I actually went to 2 or 3 different Target stores just to find these pieces. For this paper towel holder, I got it from Amazon, and again, I will be putting it on my Amazon storefront. And I also got this cute white bucket from the Target as well. And also, I got some few nice organizers from Daiso Japan. If you have like Daiso in your area, make sure to check them out because they carry a lot of acrylic organizer, and the prices are also affordable. Like for example, this one, if I'm not mistaken, it's also like $3. I really can't remember the exact price, but yeah, with Daiso, you will really get a lot of affordable items from there. And last Daiso find is this stamping plate organizer. So I transferred almost all of my stamping plates from folder to this container so that I can easily access them. And the dividers of these are like removable, so you can customize it or you can remove it if you like. So yeah, that's it for my affordable nail organization tips and tricks. If you like to watch my nail collection video, I have a video link in the description box. So thank you so much for watching and see you on my next videos. Bye!